Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this motor to my bike. Here is my bike. This is a BMX bike. Now the parts I need is only this one. Well, you can see in the other video on YouTube, they are putting their motor right here. Some of them right here and some of those right here. Now, I don't have a lot of tools to make it, so this is my easy way on installing this motor to my bike. I'm only going to use this part. Okay, now I'm going to show you, but wait. Okay, first I'm gonna need this one, like that one, like that. Okay. Hmm? Okay, now first I'm going to put this right here. Oops, wrong. It should be at the other side. That's it. I'm going to put it right there. Okay, as you can see. Now here. Oh, I'm sorry. Like that. Okay. Oh, the good thing about this installation, because you can adjust your motor from backward and forward, so it will match to your right there. Uh, like that, like that, like that. So you can adjust it. So I'll put another one here. Okay. I'm done installation. I'm done. Now this is how I install, and there is a distance here. That is how I install this motor to my BMX bike. So you can see, for example, this is the only example. Actually, this is not the chain of this motor. See, and here, as you can see, it's perfectly. You need to move it right there. But the good thing is you can adjust this. So that's well, and it is so tight. It's not moving. Actually, the sound is right here, right there. It's and this one. Actually, it's not moving. It's so tight. So I hope that will help you or give you an idea on how to install, easy way to install your motor to your bike. And good day. Thank you. If you like it, then share and subscribe for more videos, because the next video will be installing of this battery to my BMX bike. It is also easy way. Okay, thank you.